Afternoon, everyone. Welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle, a medium Sudoku in the newspaper of Wednesday, July the 5th, 2023. And I've already solved one regular puzzle, the binary puzzle, so two puzzles remain. The killer Sudoku, aka Sudoku Mix, and the regular medium Sudoku. By the way, in this newspaper we have also an additional with 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all, only half of them I will solve tonight. Yes, in evening. All right, what's the news of today? Well, today it's award day number 497. 497 days ago, the war has started in Ukraine, and everything has been changed in the world. Yes, almost 500 days. Almost 500 days in 3 days. Yes. All right, let me continue with the medium Sudoku number 6703. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has also a lot of printed digits, 30 printed digits. Yes, I've already counted. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus in the additional, the 1 star Sudoku in additional has 27 printed digits. I need to be faster than 50 minutes. Well, this one has 30 printed digits. So I think I need to be faster than 40 minutes. Maybe 13, maybe 12. We will see. So let's get started. All right. Let me see which number can I pick. How about the 7 in this row? The 7 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 2 minutes already passed. Okay. Then. How about? Yeah, I'm thinking. Yeah, one. Yeah. I need a 5 here. Need a 9 here. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next, only place left for the 5. Should be 5. Need a 5 here. 5 in this row, 5 in the second row. So in the third row, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. Oh wait, we have a pair here. 1 and a 5 in this row, first row. 1 and a 5 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 1 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. We have a 5 in this third column, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 1 goes there. Okay, 5. Need a 1 here. Need a 1 there. So the 1, the 3, and the 4. 4 and a 3. Interesting. 3. Need a 3 here. Need a 3 there. Well, how about the 2 in the third row? The 2 in the second row. So the first row, the only place left for the 2 should be there. Need a 3 here. Yeah. Need a 2 here. 2. Well. We have here 4 missing numbers in the last row. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this big square, so no 4 in these 2 boxes. So the 4 could be here or there. Here or there, we see another 4 in the last column, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. Then 4. 4, yeah. 4 missing numbers in this big square. Two of those missing numbers in this big square are numbers 7 and 4. We have a 7 and a 4 in the third row, so no 7 and a 4 in these two boxes. 7 and 4 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 7 and 4, 7 and 4. We have a 7 in this column. No 7 there, 7 should be here, and 4 goes there. So we have a 4 in this row, third row, 4 in the second row. So in the first row, the only two places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 7 in the third row, 7 in the second row. So in the first row, the only two places left for the 7 should be here or there. You see a 7 in the last column, so no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the last column, so the column between, the only two places left for the 7 should be here or there. You see a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so the row below, the only two places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be there, and all the 7s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 7. Alright, the 4. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4 in this big square. We have a 4 in this column, so no 4 in these two boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column. So the column next, the only two places left for the 4. Could be here, could be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the last column. So the column between, only place left for the 4 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have 8 in this column, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Then here. Need a 1 number left in this column. Here we have a 4, so 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing, 4 and a 9. Okay, then 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is number 3. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 in these two boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 3 in the first row, 3 in the third row. So the row between second row, the only two places left for the 3 should be here or there. You see a 3 in the second column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3, 3. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers, 2 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3 is missing, 1 and the 3, 1 and the 3. So we have 3 in one of those two boxes. In this column, 3 in that column. So the column between, only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in this row, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the last column, 3 in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 1 and 3, we have a 3 now in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 1 goes there. And all the 3s are used. I can see this number 2, number 3. Alright. 1, 1. Then 1 box left in this column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing here. 6 is missing. 8. Okay. Then how about the 4 then? No, need a 4 here. Need a 1 here. Need a 1 there. Need a 1 here. 2 missing numbers in this big square. One numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing, 9 is missing, 8 and 9. We have a 9 in the first row, no 9 there, 9 should be here, and 8 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. One numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing, 9 is missing, 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there, 8 should be here, and 9 goes there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 in these two boxes. And 8 in the last row, no 8 in that box. So 1 box left for the 8 in this big square should be there. 8 in the last row, 8 in the row above. So that row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 8, 8, okay. 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, and the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 2 goes there, 1 box left in this big square for number 1. 1 in the last row, 1 in that row. So the row between, the only place left for the 1 should be there. The 1 in the third column, 1 in the second column. So the first column, the only 3 places left for the 1 should be here, here, or there. We see here 1 in this row, no 1 there. Here 1 in the middle row, no 1 there. The only place left for the 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 1. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and the 6, 2 and the 6. We have a 2 in the third column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 6 goes there. So we have a 6 in the third column, 6 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in the middle row, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see. This is number 4. Number 6. Alright, 1 box left in the first column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. Okay, so we have a 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 1 box left in this column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. So we have 8 in this column, 8 in the second column, so the third column, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be there, 8 in this row, 8 in that row. So the row between, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for number 1. The 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 2 and 9, 2 and 9 cannot fill this yet. Well, 1 box left in this big square for number 1. The 2 is missing now. Now we have a 2 here. 2 and 9, we have a 2 now in this row, so no 2 there. 2 should be here. 9 goes there. So we have a 9 in this row. Oh, wait. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 4 and 9, 4 and 9. We have a 4 in the third column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 9 goes there. And the final 2 numbers, the 4 and the 9 again. We have a 4 in the middle row, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Finish in 12 minutes. Told you need to be faster than 12 minutes. 12 minutes, yeah. We solve again, and I like this one here, so we'll do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in a minute with the last regular puzzle in this afternoon. And tonight in the evening I will solve the other 4 puzzles in the additional. Until then, I see you in a minute. Bye bye for now.